Ladies and gentlemen, hello, my name is Nick Pascoe. I'm a senior partner at Blevins based here in our London office in the UK. Major changes to estate planning are coming in 2027, and they could have a significant impact on your family's financial future. From April 2027, UK pension funds will form part of your estate for UK inheritance tax purposes. This major reform will impact hundreds of thousands of British families. Assets in the UK always remain liable for UK inheritance tax, even if you're a long-term expatriate. Our case study illustrates how much more inheritance tax your family could pay. We'll work through a case study of John and Jenny and their current UK inheritance tax situation. Their assets consist of a UK property of £500,000, an EU-based property of £350,000, UK investments, £260,000, and this gives a total estate that is liable to inheritance tax currently of £1,110,000. Between them, they have combined allowances of £1 million, which is free from inheritance tax. This gives an inheritance tax liability of just £44,000. It should also be noted that John has a SIP, a form of personal pension, totalling £720,000, but this at the moment is not subject to inheritance tax. If we take John and Jenny's situation and put this into April 2027 with exactly the same assets, and to recap, UK property of £500,000, EU £350,000, various UK investments totalling £260,000, but we now have to include John's SIP at £720,000. This gives a total estate liable to inheritance tax of £1,830,000. They still get to keep the £1 million of combined allowances, but this brings their inheritance tax liability, or the liability on their estate, to £332,000. So in just 2 short years, in percentage terms, the bill has increased by 655%. How can you protect your family from these changes? And the following is particularly relevant for those of you that are on the cusp of leaving the UK or that have done so in the recent years. Start planning now. Some options for UK personal pensions include: leave your scheme as it is. Look at consolidating your schemes within the UK. Consider an overseas transfer or direct extraction, i.e. taking the money out of a pension scheme. Don't leave it too late. Pension procedures and advice can take many months. There's paperwork involved, pension companies and HMRC, and it can take some time to work through. Get in touch with Blevins today and we can establish your personal situation and objectives, analyse all your options and how they meet your goals, determine the tax implications, help you weigh the pros and cons, and guide you through any necessary steps. We'll set up your new arrangements if needed and provide ongoing advice and reviews. Thank you.